welcome to video 2. In this video, we are going to actually start tapping together. So I'm going to lead you through the tapping process, and we are going to tap on stress. Now, in the last video, I talked about what EFT is and how EFT actually affects your brain, the emotional part of your brain, or what we call the limbic system. So there is actually a physical change that is happening in your brain through the tapping process. Pretty cool, right? And we also talked about how stress is the underlying component to 75 to 90% of all sickness. So who wants to be sick? Who wants to be spending all that money on copays and prescriptions and spending all that time in doctor's offices or on the phone, on hold, waiting for somebody to help you understand the symptoms that you're feeling? Let's take care of stress, and EFT is an amazing tool to help you do that. Okay, so are you ready to start learning exactly what EFT is? Awesome, me too. All you need for tapping are your fingers. And sometimes you don't even need those. Sometimes you can just visualize the process, which is another video for another day. But we have our hands right here. And in the tapping process, we first want to identify what we're tapping on: the emotion, the belief, the past experience, or the physical pain. In today's video, we're tapping on stress. So we identified it, and now we're going to see on a scale of 0 to 10 how intense the feeling of stress is in our body. So on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being totally at peace, there's no stress at all, 10 being your stress is through the roof. How stressed out do you feel right now? I like to put my hand over my chest, close my eyes, just check in with my body, and see how stressed I feel. Okay, do you have your score? Remember that number. So remember, a scale of 0 to 10. Remember that number, that is called your set score. Now we identified it. Now we need to accept it. So start tapping on the side of your hand, the karate chop point, and repeat after me. Even though I feel stressed, I'm doing the best I can. Even though I feel stressed, I'm doing the best I can. Even though I feel stressed, I'm doing the best I can. So we say that statement 3 times. Now we're going to move through the tapping points. This stress. This stress. This is right on the side of your eyebrow. Side of the eye. This stress. Under the eye. This stress. Under the nose. This stress I have in my body. This really uncomfortable stress. Take a deep breath here. All this stress. Under the arm. For women, it's right around where your bra would be. This stress in my body. Okay, and that actually is one tapping round. We're going to do one more time. This stress in my body. I'm ready to let this go. All this stress that I feel. All this uncomfortable stress in my body. I'm ready to let this go. I'm ready to let go of all this stress. Deep breath. It's okay that I don't understand why I feel all this stress, but I'm ready to let it go. Okay, hand over your chest. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes, check in with your body, and on a scale of 0 to 10, how stressed do you feel now? Okay, do you have that number? Hopefully that number went down. If it didn't go down, if it went up, which does happen, if it went up, then we're not tapping on the right emotion. So go back through this video and replace every time I say stress with something else, maybe overwhelmed, anxious, sad, whatever it is, okay? If it stayed the same, you can maybe continue through the tapping process a couple more times, just rewind the video, or like I said before, try tapping on a different emotion, okay? So I am super excited that you joined me today. In the next video, I will share a little bit more about EFT, what it is, and how it can help you live a happier, healthier, more peaceful life and be a more present, happier parent. If you have any questions at all, shoot me an email. I can't wait to learn more about you and see how tapping can help you get on the road to a more peaceful, calm, happier life. I will see you soon. Bye.